Got something in the mail today. I want to share with you. Hope everybody's doing good. I hope this ain't too hard to open. Should have probably did this part before, but let's see what we have here. Came in today. It's double envelopes here. If I knew that, I would have done the other part off camera. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff here. Alright, so what do we got here? It's like a treasure. Okay. Put it in a little sleeve. Alright, so let's see. Let's pull this out. Original documents, paperwork from Nintendo. Okay, so it looks like what we have here is a letter from Nintendo that was mailed along with this receipt. And it's one of those typed letters that probably will be hard to see on camera. But what it is an invoice from Nintendo dated 7/20 of 1989. As you can see, it was from Nintendo headquarters. Nintendo of America, P.O. Box, Redmond, Washington. There's an invoice number here. The date, like I said, it was a repair. It looks like it was part number 201. The number of the part that was used. And what they did is they repaired the control deck assembly. It's got a serial number. Total repair $30. It was shipped to Phoenix, Arizona. That's where the customer was. The address, Edith Stein. Edith Stein sent her Nintendo for repair. On 7/20/1989 was the invoice date. It says here she got charged $30 plus $4.50 postage and handling. Subtotal $34.50. They waived $4.50 and she paid $30 to get the control deck repaired by Nintendo. The letter they sent along please read this before using your Nintendo control deck. Your NES control deck. Your NES control deck has been thoroughly repaired and cleaned and tested. In order to keep it in working order, you may need to clean all of your games before using them in your deck. Now, does that mean blowing in them? If you use a dirty game pack in your deck, it could cause another malfunction, and you may need to send your NES control deck in again for repair. To clean your game packs, use a Q-tip swab dipped in alcohol and or water. Rub gently along both sides of the metal game pack connectors which should appear shiny gold when properly cleaned. And then it goes on to say, to prevent problems with your nest, follow these simple rules. Keep the control deck door closed at all times, except when inserting a game pack. Remember to store your game packs in their plastic sleeves when you are not using them. The control deck should not be left on the floor. Food and liquids should be kept away from your nest components. Always check the game pack edge connector, open end of game pack for foreign material before inserting into the control deck. Do not touch the metal game pack connectors. Handle all components with care. Talking about kids here. Handle all components. Okay. If you have any questions, if the foreign substance is sugar-based, plain water will work best. So anyway, it's a bit of history. Here. Someone got some grime in their system and sent it in for repair in 1989 at the Nintendo of America. Thought I'd share that with you all. Got a nice little plastic sleeve here. So, thought I'd share a bit of history with you guys. And look forward to the next time. Have a good night, guys.